So let's start creating a new project. Let's call this project first application. Let's create it. Okay, let me organize it. So let's start deleting the main storyboard, moving to trash. Okay, and then let's go to first application and the target first application, and then we go to info. Here in info we have the main storyboard file based name. Let's delete it. Okay, now let's go to application scene manifest. Let's open scene configuration, window application session role, it in 0, and then storyboard name, and let's delete it. Okay, here we are good to go. Let's put a save, and then let's go to the view controller and let's delete it also. Now we have our application without the main storyboard. So let's create a new view controller. Let's create a Cocoa Touch class and let's call it home view controller. Here we put the view UI view controller, and in check they also create XIB file. Okay, now we have our view controller, home view controller, and now let's check our storyboard. Sorry, storyboard, not our XIB, and let's change the background to a red color. Okay. Now let's go to the scene delegate and let's put some configuration here to open the new view controller. Since we don't have the main storyboard anymore, we need to tell the application which view controller should be instantiated after the launch screen. So here let's put a name to this variable. Let's call it Windows scene, and then let's set this to our window variable. But let's create a new UI window with this Windows scene. Then let's instantiate our view controller. That will be our home view controller. Let's set as root view controller on our window. And then let's make key and invisible. Okay, that's it. Let's run our application in our simulator. We should see a red screen. And that's it. This means that our configuration worked. We just deleted the view controller and the main storyboard. We created a new view controller with its own XIB. And then we declared here in our window in the scene delegate our view controller. We instantiated view controller and put in the window view controller.